Remove all the veins from the shrimp which are on both sides. Run the tip of the knife along the top of the vein and gently remove it. Prepare the dredging station. You will need 2 eggs for the full recipe, but I just used 1 because I cut this recipe in half for the video. Make sure to use unsweetened coconut. You can also replace the pork rinds with keto breadcrumbs. Now comes the fun part. Press the coconut firmly onto the shrimp. Generously spray both sides of the shrimp. Don't crowd the pan. Adjust the time according to your own air fryer. Cedric is waiting. You can read the description below to find another brand that works. Adjust the amount of sweetener to your taste. A squeeze of lime adds brightness. If you don't have a cooking thermometer, just take a piece of coconut, and if you can see the small bubbles, you know it's ready. This cooks fast, so make sure you watch it carefully. Yum!